Today, a visit to the doctor usually entails stacks of paper in the form of medical prescriptions, diagnostic tests, and bills and receipts. And they accumulate over time to present an ever increasing paper clutter that needs to be sifted through to find any information. What we plan to do is to shift all this data for the patient to an electronic soft copy. The Indian hospital services industry generated a revenue of over $45 billion in 2012 and has been registering a year-on-year growth of around 20% for the past few years. The total healthcare sector has invested around Rs 6,000 crores into IT services for the industry, showcasing growth in line with the IT industry in India. Despite the massive developments, the predominant change occurring is in the doctor and hospital side, with little or no expansion in services to patients. Such haphazard growth will inhibit the overall growth of the healthcare infrastructure, and it has been identified by almost all major players in the market. Even in the US, major IT players such as Google and Microsoft developed patient-centric technology for health management, but they failed due to little penetration. In a market that has not experienced any change in the way healthcare services have been rendered to customers for a long time, drastic changes seldom make an impact. With this in mind, and learning a few lessons from mistakes already made, we decided to do extensive research to identify the segments that have an imminent need for a service and can easily acclimatize to the change. With the collaboration of Medanta Group of Hospitals, who have been of immense help in terms of providing us with their knowledge and experience, we have narrowed our market scope to target individuals who suffer from chronic illnesses that tend to stretch into years altogether. These include patients suffering from diabetes, heart ailments, cancer, and also elderly people requiring constant health monitoring. We believe that penetrating the market through such specific targets can teach us how to expand our scope further. Competition in this market is virtually non-existent. Startups like Practo, SmartRx, and MockDoc have identified the potential of the healthcare industry, but are only targeting the doctors for their platforms. Our product itself will include data that is currently available in paper format, including various features that can only be provided by a computer. These include the use of charts and graphs, future health predictions, easy access of historical records, and easy portability through a mobile app. Medanta hospitals have also helped us identify a few major challenges that lie in our path. The feasibility of usage is a concern that needs to be addressed before development of the product, and it can be ensured only through collaboration with established hospitals and healthcare chains. We also need to be wary of privacy issues and security of data, which are of utmost importance to customers. We are Doctor Who. With a little time but with the correct research, we believe we can kickstart our vision and get it right the first time.